So if you ever wondering how to or reload a pistol, if you're ever learning how to reload a pistol, this is how you do it. So drop this really quick. Let's just do this one just for instance. So shoot all you don't have to do that, but press B on your right thing. Press B on it on the right controller, and it just drops right out. Take from the left pocket. Boom, boom. I struggled with this too. I don't know how to do it for the longest time, but then figured it out. Yep. Time for Russian roulette. Oh, that's unlucky. Okay.